Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Lyle and I practice obstetrics and gynecology. Today we had some tragic news. The CDC released their data on the number of deaths in 2020 due to overdoses. And the number went up dramatically from the previous year, almost 30% up. In fact, in 2020, the number of deaths due to medication overdoses was 93,333. The number one abused medication which caused those deaths was a synthetic opioid called fentanyl. Fentanyl is streaming across our southern border. Fentanyl is available in our rural areas, our suburban areas, and our inner cities. And fentanyl killed the majority of those people. Fentanyl is between 50 and 100 times more potent than morphine and is between 100 and 200 times more potent than, say, Percocet. It's a tragedy that 93,000 lives were lost due to narcotic and drug overdoses just in the year of 2020. We need to do more things to prevent this. We need to prevent the streaming across and the availability of this medication and work on rehab for these people that are addicted to narcotics. 93,333. Well, how does that compare to other things? Well, let's compare this tragedy of 93,333 deaths to the loss of patients in the womb. How long would it take for the number of abortions each year to equal that number of 933,000 deaths in 2020? Well, even conservatively, if you say there are 2,000 abortions performed each day in the United States, which is a very conservative estimate, it would only take about 6 weeks. Of the 52 weeks in the year, it would only take 6 weeks for the number of deaths due to abortion to equal the number of deaths due to an overdose for the entire year. We treat these preborn patients as patients. We can give them blood transfusions to save their lives. We can do heart surgery to save their lives, and we can do spina bifida corrective surgery. We have 2 patients when a pregnant patient comes into our office, the mom and the baby. We have an obligation to treat the mom, and we have an obligation to treat the baby. Patients have rights, and this is really an issue of patients' rights. A patient is a person, no matter how small. God bless you. If you have any questions, you can contact me through our website, prolifedoc.org, and you can also support the ministry through the same website. God bless you, be safe, and have a great weekend.